Good morning, traders. It's E from MarketWizards.com and eMiniWizard.com just after 9 o'clock on the 5th of September 2019, reminding traders to use risk capital you can afford to lose. And one final reminder, got a course running that starts next week if we have enough interest. If not, then obviously thanks for considering the opportunity and best of luck with your trading. Is one of the tools that we used last night to tell our traders, make sure you are paid by 68.75 using target 68 to 72. And above that, use 75 to 78 as our resistance. On the pullback, we had suggested anybody that trades that, and again, that is up to individual traders to decide whether they play overnight or not. But we had suggested to make sure paid by the 55s to 52s, and we're using 48 as our aggressive support. This chart very helpful for swing and OTF traders that use our support from earlier in the week when we suggested to use 88 stop. This is a nice place to make sure you take profits and you cover on this kind of a gift. And here's our current weekly framing. Yesterday's trade kind of got the idea that we would have some kind of a sell-off early in the week. It's beginning of the month bias. They love to do that, make it look like we're going to fail, and then they kind of goose it up, and they do that overnight a couple of days in a row. So when they do that, it leaves us the crumbs to trade during the day. And again, the focus for our purposes is try to take something out of the day. If you're a day trader, that's what you do. You find the opportunities and try to grab what you can out of the swings in a normal time frame, meaning, obviously RTH hours. Most of us like to sleep, but young Turks could certainly play overnight. So on the pullback, this chart nailed, and this is usually our first ideas. When we come back on this weekly frame, that first line, you've got to get paid for sure here. And then the question is, can we get the bounce or not, which we did. Take a look at another chart to see that. 5-minute chart. I like the 30. Shows it very clearly. Breakout back here, that 10 to 12 area. Yesterday we held, obviously, in that 22 zone that we liked for support. And then we get this kind of nonsense overnight. It's just part of the game. Intraday look, you can see we almost got a 60 back, not quite. Target should be this 55 to 52-ish. And that's obviously support until broken. Aggressive support we use pre-market after we woke up. I actually woke up at 4 o'clock, but decided not to get up. But we have suggested 58 is our aggressive support. And anybody playing that 58, we said let's play these two boxes pre-market. We felt that was a definable range that we should be range trading for now. And you forget what you missed, because that's never the issue. The issue is what can we take out of the market today? That should be the focus. Angels and demons. Got a 68.25 demon. That's this bar right there. Obviously, the middle is 53.25 of the angels and demons. So we don't even worry about this 38 back here for now. We're going to focus on the range, just the range that we can see defined by this low back here near 50, and obviously the highs. So that's the range, that the crumbs that we're going to trade first before worrying about anything else. And the yearly look. We've held this support. We busted through this resistance. And we're in this box right now. And we have been talking about the importance of 55s to 47s, last year's high at 47. So for us, those are going to be important logistics going forward. Can we stay above 47 or not? Because that's last year's high. And 55 is last year's high basis this contract. Got some pretty crazy swings. And again, this is beginning of the month bias. So for today, I think the best trades are already done. And we're going to try to get a little something out of that and then go take some time at the pool. Hope you guys have a great day. Thanks for listening.